purpose of this video is to provide students with a brief overview of the CPT101 MyIT registration process. Our textbook, Go, All-in-One Computer Concepts and Applications, includes a hard copy of the textbook, your unique access code to the MyIT custom website, an ebook which is an online version of the textbook, and a 180-day trial version of Office 2010. Options for purchasing the textbook package include any HGTC school bookstore, the ACE bookstore on Highway 544 by CCU, or directly from Pearson Publishing via the Pearson custom website listed below. This is www.pearsoncustom.com/sc/hgtc/cpt. This will also be where you will register for the course. If you want to use your financial aid to purchase your textbook packet, then you must purchase your textbook package at the HGTC campus bookstores. If you do not have financial aid, or you do not wish to use your financial aid, then you may purchase your textbook packet at any campus bookstore, at the University Bookstore on Highway 544, or if you prefer, you may save money and purchase just the ebook and MyIT Lab software access code through the Pearson website. However, some students are not comfortable using the ebook, so if you're unsure, you should opt to buy a hard copy of the textbook. If you do buy just the ebook, you will not receive the 180-day trial version of Office 2010. Once going to the URL for registration or purchase, students will be brought to this web page. You will then select the drop-down menu for CPT 101 and select Register Login. That will bring up the sign-in screen. This is where students can enter the MyIT Lab website, or as we are doing registering, you will come down to where it says Need Access. If you have an access code, register it here, or if you do not have an access code, purchase access online. We will register it here. Students will then be prompted to read the license agreement and privacy policy. Select I accept. Then answer the question, do you have a Pearson Education account? If this is your first time using a Pearson Education application, select No. You must then create a login name that is at least 4 characters. And check availability. If you receive a green check mark, you can then create a password. It's suggested that you write down both the login name and password so that you remember it for the future. The password must be 8 characters with at least 1 letter and 1 number. You will then retype your password. Then enter the access code, which can be found in the trifold card which came with the hard copy of the textbook, or which will be supplied when registering through the e-subscription. And select Next. You will then enter your personal information, first name and last name, and an email address. Please use your WaveNet email address, as this will be the central location for communication between you and your professors, as well as any communication between you and the Pearson staff. Then select the country, the United States, your school zip code, 29528. Select the school name, or Georgetown Technical College, and answer the security question of your choosing of the following 4. And select Next. You will then receive your confirmation and summary. At this time, you can log in to My IT Lab. Here you will enter the login name that you created, and your password. Once you have successfully entered this, you will be told welcome to your course. If you do not want this to display again, put a check mark next to do not display this message again and click OK. At this time, you will be given the appropriate course enrollment number by your professor, and you will click Enroll in a course. You will then enter the course ID, a sample below, CRSWE9D-10000000378. This will be given to you by your instructor, and you will then submit. Once you have submitted the course ID number, you will then verify that the course end date and instructor are the appropriate instructor. You will then confirm, and you will be able to enter into your My IT Lab course.